Wondering what a sci-fi Lamborghini truck would look like? Of course, nobody really knows, but now I have created some breathtaking designs detached from reality with the help of AI and a bit of Photoshop. These designs feature Lamborghini elements, although it wasn't really a priority this time. The first design is among the more restrained ones. The front of the car and these angular edges still reflect some Lamborghini features. This design has become much bolder. It took on a military feel, although its basis was the Lamborghini Alston. This six-wheeled red truck is amazing. The design turned out to be quite futuristic, with a slight train-like character. The basis of this design was an American truck. Although we have moved away from the basic design a lot, it has become beautiful. It's quite challenging to find elements that remind us of Lamborghini, but despite this, it turned out to be beautiful. Perhaps a couple of features on the front and the lights remind us of Lamborghini, but only to a minimal extent. This is one of my favorites. The lights and running lights look incredibly good on it. This one also reminds me of a massive American truck. The front turned out to be brutal, and here you can still see a bit of those angular shapes that Lamborghini uses. This design has retained more of the traditional truck shape, but it still turned out to be very futuristic. This turned out incredibly beautiful. It's like some futuristic transformer. I generated this one from the previous design. I moved the cab much further back, making it sportier and even more beautiful. So far, this might be the most believable design. It doesn't have too many unnecessary elements, but it's still beautiful. With this version, I got the closest to the current trucks, and this is also the closest design to Lamborghini. This is another big favorite of mine. It turned out to be something astounding. I can easily imagine this in Cyberpunk 2077. This one turned out with a military style. It has a very aggressive design line. This one is a more restrained version compared to the others, but it still has some Lamborghini traits in it. Finally, I present this brutal 12-wheeled sci-fi truck. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most and what type of videos you'd like to see on the channel. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.